can I apply for an SME IPO? What are the eligibility criteria? Whether me and my business are capable of SME IPO listing? How to build wealth and valuation? Is there any possibility to get financing support towards the IPO processing fees? Are these questions causing a concern towards your journey to get listed? Don't worry. MSMEX brings India's one and only exclusive hand-holding and mentoring program to make you SME IPO ready in just 60 days. Let's take a sneak peek into what really happens inside our cohort sessions. Workshops with leading mentors and advisors on various topics such as shareholding structure, CXO and team structuring, business valuation, taxation impact, IPO readiness, PR and branding, IPO preparation, and many more. Multiple one-on-one sessions with experts solving your very specific query. Not only that, you get hand-holding support for assessment, evaluation, and roadmap. With our sessions, we are also proud to have built a family with our happy and satisfied users. At MSMEX, we ensure 100% guaranteed learning with fun. Business challenges are many. Solution is one. MSMEX. Join the SME IPO cohort today. You can be the next one.